dumpster rental service in Northern Illinois. Having a reliable team makes all the difference when managing waste from renovation projects, cleanouts, or construction work. At ASAP Dumpsters and Demo, we pride ourselves on offering dependable and affordable solutions that suit your needs. Our dumpster rental service in Northern Illinois is designed for convenience, speed, and customer satisfaction. We understand the importance of timely drop-offs and pickups, especially when deadlines matter. That's why we simplify scheduling and ensure your project runs smoothly. Whether you're tackling a home remodel, commercial job, or large-scale demolition, we've got the right dumpster size for you. Our friendly team is here to walk you through the process and answer any questions you have. We don't just drop and go, we help you every step of the way. With competitive pricing and no hidden fees, you always know what you're getting. We've built our reputation on transparency, reliability, and quality service. When you choose us, you partner with a local business that genuinely cares about our community. We aim to make your experience as hassle-free as possible. ASAP Dumpsters and Demo is your go-to team for straightforward, stress-free dumpster rental solutions. Call us today at 779-275-0601 and experience the difference we make in waste removal. Let's work together to keep your project moving and your site clean.